The Price Review 2024 Water Industry National Environment Programme, or WINEP, data was published externally in a spatial format by the Environment Agency for the first time in 2025. In previous years, the WINEP data has been published on Defra Data Services platform in the form of an Excel spreadsheet. The Price Review 2024 WINEP data shows a set of actions which water companies operating in England must complete between 2025 and 2030 in order to meet their legal environmental obligations. This marks a big step forward in the pursuit of greater data transparency, meaning our stakeholders can view WINEP data in a more user-friendly way so that users can see where water companies will be delivering actions nearer to them and filter the actions by key features, e.g. water company. The actions in the PR24 WINEP reflect the largest programme of environmental improvements for water companies, constituting £22.1 billion of investment. National security concerns can arise with datasets that contain grid references of the exact locations of public water supply boreholes or information about a reservoir. Therefore, for the published AMP8 WINEP dataset, every point has been generalised to a 1 kilometre squared polygon. In order to improve efficiency, we automated the data creation and uploaded the layer to ArcGIS Online. We use layer transparency so the user can see where there are multiple overlapping polygons. We included tabs for further information, instructions and FAQs. The dataset needed to be approved for external access, so we went through the process of applying for an open data risk assessment. We followed accessibility guidance to make user-friendly app in the Experience Builder with attribute pop-ups, filters and zoom tools.